Hakim Awiyan is an indigenous wisdom keeper who was born in the village of Abu Sir. He trained in Europe as an archaeologist. Hakim lived his whole life in the area known as the Band of Peace.
Now I'm pointing the jade pillar, which is symbolizing one of the ancient gods, Osiris. And jed is a word we still use to address the older people, like grandmother and grandfather, jed. It goes back to the story of Osiris and his brother Seth, the bad guy, who put Osiris in a coffin, throw him in the ocean. The ocean took him place, Phoenicia, Lebanon today. And there is the cedar tree grows, and the roots of the cedar tree capture this coffin till it has been found by his beloved sister Isis. She cried, her tears touch his body, and they live together again for a short while, short enough to make a baby with the name of Horus.